Alright guys, we are replacing the differential fluid. It is a 2006 Honda CRV. So we got a four-wheel drive, and then we have a transmission in the front. We have a differential. We call it a differential. It's in the back. I already drained the fluid, the oil. There is a two bolt over there. So you need to lose that and drain all the oil. I will try. I don't know how much oil. So I got one here. It's 1 quart. So I will try to fill it with this. So I will insert here, and then I will press in like this until the fluid come out. I will do it until the fluid overfill, because the car is level now. Like you see, make sure your car is level as possible. Alright, and then that is what I'm gonna do. There is a hole on the bottom, hole on the top. So we're gonna close the one on the bottom. We're gonna fill out the one on the top. I don't know if they're gonna enough for one bottle, but I still have more. I still have more fluid. Let me see. I got 2 more. There's a one more over there. Yep. And then one over here. I don't think we're gonna finish all these, but I will fill out one first. Yep. I will plug the bottom one first. These two are the same size. I don't even remember which one is which. Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh, by the way, before you drain the transmission differential fluid, I already lose the charcoal canister cover here. It's holding by 3 bolt, 10mm. So I loosen it, and then it's over there. You see that metal, rusty metal? It was here. So there's 3 bolt, 2 over here, and one is somewhere here. So you lose that 3, you can put it away, put it somewhere. After you finish all the job, you can put it back. So I will tie this one. I don't know how many foot-pound. I don't have a new washer, so I use the old washer. Alright, we don't need the bucket no more, I think. I just hit it with the hand like, there we go. I think should be good. As long as it's not leaking, we should be okay. You don't want to over tie it, so you can mess up the thread. And what do we do next? I will put the tube, the pipe over here, and then I will spray it in. I will stop pumping the oil. Alright, let me get my liquid. I will pump it until they
Please don't pop my new balloon.
They are overfill. So let's see. I think it's not clear. Let me get a light on. Let me go get a flashlight. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's clear. Yep, it is clear. Clear and better. Alright, let me punch the fluid. So I will hold one hand on the top, so I don't want to let the fluid drain. Okay, let's pump. Let's do it. There we go. Oop.
You want to pop it?
You see the fluid go out? That is how I do. So I'm gonna wait until, I don't know if that one bottle, 1 quart is gonna enough. So let's fill it. Let's fill the differential. One bottle is almost finished. Alright, I don't know if it's gonna overfill with 1 bottle. I have another one.
Yeah.
Oh man. Wait. See? My battery went out.
Why does the bulb is not coming?
Alright, I did not finish my first bottle. I cannot finish all.
Okay, do you
I think the tube that I have on that press spray is too short. Maybe that's short. So I will go get another bottle. Let me get my hose, line it up on that spot. There we go. Now it's lined up again.
Oh, that's Mugay.
Yep.
Mugay's here.
Okay. Alright, let's press it.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do.
Okay.
Press it in. And let it go. Press in, let it go.
You want to do all of them?
Maybe. We need to do until the overfill. You know?
Yes. You make my finger fail, Mama.
Mama. Oh man, I don't know how many bottles.
I don't know either. Ouch!
You don't know either?
Yes. You hurt me in my finger. Over here.
Where? Oh, you hit the... I think you hit the differential mount.
Yeah.
Okay, can you press it?
Press it.
Yeah.
I cannot. I cannot do it.
You cannot do it? Try. Why you cannot do it? You got no power? Press it down.
I have to do this.
Hey, you cannot. What happened?
Because I'm too skinny.
Oh, you so small then.
Oh,
You are skinny too, and you got no muscle maybe.
because I'm not too fat. I'm too skinny.
Yeah.
Yeah. Scared?
No. Oh, it's overfilled already. See that?
Yeah.
That mean we're on the right level.
Okay.
Let me confirm one more pump there.
Okay. Is it hurting?
There we go.
I want to sleep.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Can I sleep?
Oh yeah. It is over. Yep.
It is not over.
Let me pump more.
No.
I want to see more. Oh
No.
yeah. Oh yeah, they'll come down. Yep. So if they come down, that means I am good. I am good. And then let's plug back in this guy here.
Uh-oh, sneaky.
All right. Let me tie it.
Ouch!
And then I will hit it with that hand.
Oh, I want you to get out.
It is called hammer.
No, you are out. Johnny.
All right, let's see.
Get out. I want you to talk. Ah! There's a bug.
All right, guys. We got to get out here. All right, let me clean it with the brake cleaner. That is all. That is how we do it. How I do it. Even my first time.
Johnny, bug.
Oh my God. Whew. Alright guys, we lay down something here, we crawl underneath. And we're walking over there. My two buddies over there, they just come and help me out too. What happened? What happened? No, don't scare him. He's scared.
It's not a bug.
He's not look like scared, but he's scared. Come on.
It's not a bug.
Come on. I gotta do something. Please, come on, leave me alone. Can you stay over there, Johnny?
Johnny, bug.
Hey, don't touch that bottle. No, you don't touch that bottle, okay?
Johnny.
Do you know what is that bottle is? That is a transmission fluid. Transmission fluid. Can you call it? Call it. No, don't touch that. Don't move that one. He's scared. You know he's scared. Why you do that? He wanna come out here and play like you. You see, he's scared.
How about this?
He's scared. He run over there, and he will come soon. Let me go get a brake cleaner, and we're gonna clean all that, and then we can drive around and look. If there's no leaking, we should be okay. If there's a leaking, we can tighten it you can tighten it a little bit more. Alright guys, see you later. I just finished the differential fluid change. What I have is the oil bucket right there. Because I do the oil change at home, so I have that bucket. I have the jack here. I got a jack stand over there. And then I got my fluid here. So I got a little bit left here. It's still new. They are new. I will fill it back here. This one is so helpful. Yeah. What happened? No, no. Hey, do not hurt each other. You gotta play together, okay? Alright guys, that is how you replace how I replace my flute. Alright, see you guys on the next video.